welcome to the third episode of the maiden edition of Elomaths quiz competition. This competition is that Elomaths 120 seconds challenge. Elomaths is grooming young children between KG2 all the way to grade 7 to become mathematic thinkers or think mathematically. If you like what you have seen in the past weeks, then kindly call the number on your screen. Elomaths is supported by iApple, a local language app which you can get on Play Store. Doman's Food specializes in yummy and delicious donuts, dough burgers, and all kinds of pastries. You can contact them on 0240-298-271. We are also supported by Precious Heart Montessori, located at Oyibi. Precious Heart Montessori, love in heart, knowledge in mind. Let's go for a break. When we come back, we get to know our contestant for the day. Right about now, we want to know our contestant for the day. You want to know who that person is, and so do I. Let's go and take a look at our next contestant for the day.
Hello viewers, I want to be an economist. Mathematics and economy are complementary disciplines. Most branches of modern economics use mathematics and statistics extensively. The future of Ghana's economy depends on I and my generation, and I want to be relevant. My name is Aram Amihosu, pupil of the Light Academy. In grade 6, I and my parents thank God for Elomaths. Now math is my best friend and forever will be. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Aram?
Thank you.
All right. How prepared are you?
Really prepared.
Really prepared. Wow, I can see that from the smile on your face. All right, that's our future economist. We have 4 rounds. And in the first round, you'll be expected to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds. I have with me 3 sets of questions over here, and Aaron will be expected to select one of them for round 1. So Aaron, I have with me 3 sets of questions over here. You are to select one of them.
Yellow.
Yellow. So ladies and gentlemen out there, you can also join us in round 1. Everyone will be tested through the concept of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And all these things is within 120 seconds. Kindly grab your calculators or your tools at home so that you can also join us. Aaron, are you ready?
Yes.
Get set, flip. Simplify minus 4x plus 6x minus 8n.
2x minus 8n.
That is correct. Simplify minus 5m plus 4m minus 2n.
Minus m minus 2n.
That is correct. Double 22. Add 8 to the result. Then divide by 10. Answer.
5.2.
5.2 is correct. Add 3 to 17. Divide the result by 10. And multiply by 2.
4.
4 is the correct answer. Calculate the following for me. 1.6. 0.6. What is it?
3.
3 is correct. Next, 4.8. 1.2. 0.7.
6.7.
6.7 is correct. Next, 3.9. 2.8. 0.1. 0.2. Answer.
7.1.
7.1.
1.
7.1 is incorrect. Next, 2.7. 2.3. 0.8. Answer.
5.8.
5.8 is correct. Next, 1.7. 0.4. 0.9. 0.3. 0.1. Answer.
3.4.
3.4 is correct. Next, sum up 255 and 87.
342.
That is correct. Find the difference between 305 and 80.
225.
225 is correct. Calculate 742 minus 90 minus 99 plus 80. Answer.
633.
That is correct. Add 5 to 75. double the result. Then subtract 60.
100.
100 is correct. Solve 52 plus 98 minus 70.
80.
80 is correct. What is 803 minus 7 minus 8 minus 88?
698.
698 is incorrect. Let's give her a round of applause. She has really done well. That is Aram for you. Before we take the scores, let's go for a break. Welcome back from the break. At the end of round 1, Aram had 65 points and she was able to do this within 120 seconds. Let's give her a round of applause. She has really done well. This is a fantastic display of logical reasoning and mental arithmetic as well as understanding of mathematics. Yes, all this is made possible by Elomaths. We are about to move to round 2, where Aram will also have 120 seconds at her disposal to answer the question that will be administered to her. Let's not forget that we are proudly supported by Precious Heart Montessori, located at OEB. Precious Heart, love in heart, knowledge in mind. We are supported by Dorman's Food and also IAPRE. We are about starting round 2. And within round 2, Aram will be expected to answer 15 questions within 120 seconds. Here in round 2, she is going to be tested within the concept of multiplication and its application. You at home can also join us by grabbing your pen and your paper or your pencil and then try as much as possible to solve as many as you can. Aram, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so get set. Round 2. Flip. How wide is a cargo track if each of the 8 lanes is 0.7 meters wide?
5.6 meters.
Okay, that is correct. Next, the cost of buying one blue dress is 10 Ghana cedis each, plus 140 Ghana cedis for a pair of shoes. For a 200 blue dresses, what will be the total calculation?
2,140 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. What is the total cost of hosting a birthday party for 40 students at 30 Ghana cedi per student, plus 50 Ghana cedi for the cake?
1,250 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. The cost of a sharpener is 2 Ghana cedis, 50 pesos. How much will Eden pay for buying 12 pieces?
30 Ghana cedis.
That is correct. What is the sum of 9 groups of 4 oranges and 6 oranges?
42 oranges.
That is correct. What is the difference between these terms? 9 times 6 and 7.
47.
47 is correct. What is the difference between 100 and into bracket 8 times 8 bracket close?
36.
36 is correct. Calculate into bracket 100 minus 74 bracket close times 10.
260.
That is correct. So 40 times 10 minus 5 times 2.
390.
That is correct. Calculate 5 times into bracket 6 plus 3 bracket close.
45.
That is correct. So 120 times 5.
600.
That is correct. Simplify 4.50 times 44.
198.
That is correct. What is the area of a rectangular window measuring 0.5 meters by 0.7 meters?
3.5 meters.
What do you say?
3.5 meters.
That is incorrect. Yes, this is made possible by Elomaths. Display of speed as well as accuracy. At this particular point, we'll go for a break. When we bounce back, we'll get to know the scores for Aram. You're welcome back from the break. At the end of round 2, this is how the scores stand. Within 120 seconds, Aram scored 60 points. Let's clap for her. Yes, this is made possible by Elomaths, a fantastic display of mental arithmetic as well as critical thinking by our students over here. We are supported by Precious Heart Montessori, located at OEB, Dorman's Food, and then IAPRE for your local language. You can get them on Play Store. We are about to move to round 3 of the competition. Yes, 120 seconds challenge. And you can also join us from the comfort of your home. Along with me, I have 3 sets of questions over here, and yours is to pick just one of them. So which one are you picking? Red. Wow. Ready. Flip. Which of these are not measurement of right angles? 180, 80, and 90 degrees.
180 and 80 degrees.
180 and 80 degrees is correct. Find the perimeter of an irregular quadrilateral which has the following size: 12 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 7 millimeters.
30 millimeters.
That is correct. Round 871 to the nearest 100.
900.
900 is correct. Round 3,429 to the nearest 1,000.
3,000.
3,000 is correct. Every number is a factor of itself. True or false?
True.
True is correct. Mention the first even multiple of 7.
14.
14 is correct. Mention the odd numbers between 21 and 29.
20, 25, 27.
That is correct. 40 is a prime number. True or false?
False.
That is correct. 74 is a multiple of 4. True or false?
False.
False is correct. If a number is divisible by 9 and 10, it must be divisible by 90. True or false?
True.
That is correct. If a number is divisible by 3 and 7, it must be divisible by 21. True or false?
True.
That is correct. If prime numbers are numbers that have 2 factors, what do you call numbers that have more than 2 factors?
Composite numbers.
Composite numbers, that is right. Find the amount of space covered by a metal sheet that has the shape of a rectangle and measures 15 meters long and 8 meters wide.
120 meters squared.
That is correct. 3,521 is divisible by 4. True or false?
False.
False is correct. 1,033 is divisible by 3. True or false?
True.
That is incorrect. But let's clap for her. She has done very well. So we have come to the end of round 3. Let's take a short break, and when we bounce back, we get to know the score for Aram in round 3. You're welcome back from the short break. At the end of round 3, out of the 120 seconds, Aram had 70 points. Yes, out of the 120 seconds, Aram was able to complete her task below the necessary time that, or below the time that she was given. This is only made possible in Elomaths. In Elomaths, we train you to be time conscious, we train you to also become mathematically fluent, and also think accurately in solving your daily challenges. That brings us to round 4. In round 4, you'll be expected to showcase on the board how you think and how you demonstrate your thinking as well. Now she'll be expected to pick her question in the container, and the question that she picked, that is what will be administered to her. Aram, come over, pick one of the questions over here for your round 4. All right. So if you are also in the house watching us, kindly get your pen and paper and also join us solve this question. Aram, are you ready?
Yes.
Get set. 4 friends live side by side in the same street. If Essie lives in the first house, Yao lives in the 4th house, Kwame lives beside Essie, and Ama's house is between Kwame and Yao. Then who lives between Essie and Ama?
Ama's house is between Yao and Kwame's house, which means she's living in the 3rd house. And the question was, who is living between Essie and Ama? So the answer is Kwame.
The answer is?
Kwame.
The answer is Kwame, and that is correct. Give her a lot of applause. Yes, yes, yes. The answer is Kwame. Kwame lives between Essie and Ama. This brings us to the end of round 4. Let's take a short break, and when we come back, we get to know how the scores stand. You're welcome back from the break. At the end of round 4, Aram had 10 points. And the total score for all the rounds, round 1, round 2, 3, and 4, sum up to 205 points. Right about now, all I want to ask is, Elomaths, say hello to Mom. My name is A.O. See you next week. Bye-bye.